Is this the phone you've been waiting for? The Poco F7 has flagship specs, a unique look and a massive 7500 mAh battery. But is that good enough for you? Let's find out in our detailed review. Inside the box, you get a 90-watt charger, a cable, a rubberized case, SIM tool, paperwork and the phone itself. My usual complaint is that the charger should now be a USB-C charger because this port is not compatible with modern laptops and tablets anymore, and a transparent case would have been better in this case because it would have done better justice to the design of this phone. But we'll come to that design part later, but the box checks all the necessary boxes, so it is good to go. I liked this design the moment I saw it. This has a half gloss black, half mirror finish, power and volume keys on the right side, a clean left side, then USB port, SIM tray and speaker at the bottom with a mic on the top. This looks premium, feels good and the size gives it presence. There are neat highlights like the green accents around the cameras and the Snapdragon logo here at the back. I wish this was all embossed on the back, but this looks good too. Now, normally glass has two issues. It can be slippery and it can be smudgy. But the Poco F7, this has decent grip, so slipping is not an issue, but the mirror finish here is a fingerprint magnet. That's why you need a case, and exactly why this should have been a transparent one, because this phone has a completely unique design that is hidden by this rubberized case. On the bright side, this is IP68-69 rated, so rain use and beach days are no problem. Poco F7 gets a 6.83-inch 2772 by 1280p display, even thin bezels and good outdoor visibility. Along with the 120Hz refresh rate, this also has a 480Hz touch sampling rate, which means highly responsive touch experience when gaming. The colors are punchy and the screen has a premium look to it. Video watching is also sorted as this gets 10-bit HDR screen paired with powerful stereo speaker that pack a punch, very decent punch for a phone. Here you get a 50MP dual camera setup at the back and a 20MP selfie shooter. The ultra-wide has no warping issues. You get social media worthy shots, but if you zoom in a bit too much, they are not very detailed. However, the main camera more than makes up for it. It is fast to focus, retains good detail in all lighting conditions, and the colors are close to natural. Portraits also come out crisp and clear, and you can also take 4K videos at 60 FPS with the main lens. The selfie camera is good and retains a lot of detail, skin texture and maintains the original tone as well. Performance-wise, Poco has chosen the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 for this phone. Other than being a powerful chip, it also adds cool features like real-time skin tone correction for cameras and Wi-Fi 7 modem for better Wi-Fi speeds and connection. Daily multitasking and gaming is a breeze. I played BGMI and San Andreas for hours and there was no heating, lag or performance issues. And here are the benchmarks on your screen. Poco's work on the software front is also visible here. Small little things like the uninstall app animation, the subtle haptics and the almost iPhone-ish control center notification shade all give it a premium user experience. There is bloatware, but you can remove it. Plus you get plenty of customization options for wallpapers, ringtones, themes and even fonts baked right into the phone. So Poco has fitted this phone with a massive 7500 mAh cell. Using in balanced mode, I got around 2 days of backup and the 90-watt charger juices it up in around 1 hour 45 minutes on balanced mode. But switch it up to top speed charging and this is charged under 1 hour 30 minutes, but it heats up a bit. My usage included hours of YouTube shorts and San Andreas, but normal daily use should give you an even better backup, which is great. The 30 to 40,000 rupee category is very interesting one right now, and we think the F7 is a strong contender in this segment. This is a stylish, premium looking phone with specs to justify the price. And that wraps our Poco F7 detailed review. If you liked the video, then like the video and hit that subscribe button for all the latest tech updates out there. You're watching Gadgets 360. My name is Manik Beri and I'll catch you in the next one.